So I'm here at the 2026 Beekeeping Show. Come with me and we'll go inside and have a look and see what's in there. We're in. It's so busy here, there's so much. So I've come all the way up from Cornwall here to see you, especially you. I follow you on Facebook and what have you. So, but I haven't actually spoken to anybody about vaporizers.
Yeah.
Can you talk me through it?
Introduce you. So this is the instant bath.
Yep.
It's the first cordless varroa treatment, oxalic acid dispenser. This is the latest model. Janos, who is around here somewhere.
Yeah, he's dropped you in it.
Yeah, he's the original creator and inventor.
Right.
He has done a vast amount of research. He's really passionate about it, and he's realised that the efficiency of the treatment is far better by increasing the temperature by 30 degrees.
Okay.
So the latest model is 260 degrees temperature. It can go up a little bit more. There's a wealth of research behind it,
Yeah.
all of which is available for you to see. So yes, it's very reasonably priced as well.
Not the display one.
So you've got a choice of battery sockets that we fit for you.
Okay.
So it's most of the leading brands, plus a few extras that people have got less of.
So where does the oxalic? I presume the oxalic acid goes in there.
Yeah. So what you do is you use pure oxalic acid.
Yep.
We've got a product called Roxy. You use 2 grams per deep hive, and so you put that into the oxalic acid, and that's in there.
Yeah.
Put it in the top. Once it's on, heated up, put it into the hive, press down, and then the oxalic acid heats.
I see.
The heating element and expels the vapor.
I see. Simple as that.
Simple as that.
Do you keep bees?
I do.
How many hives have you got?
I'm down to like 2 now.
Okay.
Myself.
Yeah. I think I've lost a colony recently, but
Yeah, I had a bad year last year.
the year before was worse.
The business itself has over 400 hives.
Right.
3 counties.
Yeah. I always like your posts whenever I see them online. So. But yeah, and it seems like you've got a massive warehouse as well. So.
Well, it's never big enough.
No.
Yes.
Cool.
Basically, it's the home farm. We built a new warehouse this year to try and accommodate a bit more stock. We could do with another 1 or 2, to be honest.
Yeah.
But yes, online sales are picking up and everything's really good.
Brilliant.
Really nice offering now. It's a nice broad offering for different prices, different areas of beekeeping.
Cool.
So basically anything you need, you can find with us.
Right. Well, look, thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Nice to speak.
And yourself. Cheers. It's hard, isn't it? It's hard doing